Section 1, General. All right, general description: the diesel electric locomotive. General description of the diesel electric locomotive. The essential elements: the equipment of the diesel electric locomotive comprises a single and double unit power plant, with each of the power plant consisting of essentially of two engines. The diesel engine to supply the power and electrical equipment to transmit the power from the engine to the locomotive axle. The electrical drives provided with the efficient means for the transmitting of the power from the engine to the locomotive wheels, where flexibility superior to any of the known of the mechanical drive. The electrical drive automatically produces the equivalent of smooth gradual change in the gear ratio as the locomotive speeds up and does away with the jerky and uncertain gear changes. General description of equipment: the electronical equipment of the locomotive consists of the standard railway apparatus adapted to meet the particular requirements of the class of the service. The principal part of electrical equipment per locomotive comprises a generator element, electrical motors driven with locomotive axle, switches, a device for the controlling of the flow of the current from the generators to the motors and auxiliaries. The electrical energy is supplied with the main generator, directly connected with the engine mounted on the common support. The current generated by the main power element is the power controlled with the control equipment. It operates the traction motor. The motors with regard to the gear to the axles and perform the actual duty of propelling the locomotive. The speed of the locomotive and governor setting of the engine are controlled by the throttle level and connected to the engine governor controlling circuit and controller consisting of the selector drum provided with the forward and off and the reverse positions for the selection of locomotive direction of the movement. Engine starting. The engine are starting to be by main generators operating as the motor of the power from the locomotive battery, continuing the generator automatically made simply, closing the engine start button, start battery, charging the batteries, charged with the automotive type of the auxiliary generators. Therefore, refer to the instructions issued by the manufacturer. A list of equipment: the main generator, the traction motors, control mechanism, pneumatic reversers, magnetic contactors, P1 and P2, each of the interlocking. Field shunt relay panel, main generator field resistor assembly, motor field shunt resistor assembly, battery switch, throttle switch, terminal boards, push button stations, motor lead contactors, control circuit breakers, marketing tabs, miscellaneous terminals, and cable consisting of 170-foot motor and generator, 2 to 200-foot control, 50-foot control, locomotive schematic, drum wire drawing. All right, 8B9672. See the envelope in the back of the book. Section 2, Operation.